Red
Which
color, please, teacher.
Red color. Okay. Read.
Whiskers and white and whiskers.
White and whiskers. 2 boxes. Good job. Next.
White and whiskers are my 2 crazy kittens.
White and whiskers are my 2 crazy kittens. I also have 2 crazy kittens, 2 boxes. Their names is Luna and Laila.
Yesterday they went wonky again.
Yesterday they went wonky again. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Next.
They wrecked my room.
They wrecked my room. 2 boxes. Next.
I tried to grab White, but he wriggled away.
I tried to grab White, but he wriggled away. 2 boxes. Next.
Then I wrestled with Whiskers, but he wriggled away too.
Then I wrestled with Whiskers, but he wriggled away too. 2 boxes. Next.
They are wretches.
They are wretches. Another 2 boxes. Alright, finish. Good job.